Hello everyone! The pork industry plays a significant role globally, both as a vital food source and an economic powerhouse. Pork serves as a popular protein source across many cultures, being one of the most consumed types of meat in regions such as Asia, Europe, and South America. It's enjoyed in various forms, including fresh cuts, frozen products, processed meats, and delicatessen items. If you've had experience with consuming pork or have insights to share, we encourage you to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. The pork slaughter line operates as an industrial assembly line, transforming pigs into various pork products through a sequence of specialized stations. Before slaughter, pigs are typically housed in pens for a period, allowing them to settle and calm down. To render the pigs unconscious, they are stunned using methods such as electricity or CO2 gas. Following stunning, a large artery or vein in the neck is cut to facilitate bleeding out. It is important to note that the operation of slaughterhouses can vary depending on factors such as country's regulations and the specific type of facility. These variations may influence the techniques and processes employed in slaughtering and processing of pork. Indeed, automation and robotics play a prominent role in modern slaughterhouses, enhancing efficiency and precision in the processing of livestock. After slaughter, pig carcasses undergo a process where they are immersed in a hot water bath. This step serves to soften the bristles, making them easier to remove during subsequent cleaning. Once removed from the tank, the carcasses undergo further cleaning to eliminate any remaining hair and feathers. This can be achieved by using a variety of tools and machinery, including brushes, knives, or specialized feather plucking machines. In cases where feathers persist, an additional method known as feather burning is employed. This technique involves burning off any remaining feathers, ensuring the thorough cleaning of the pig carcasses. Feather burning is a common practice in pig slaughterhouses for achieving optimal hygiene and product quality. While feather burning is indeed fast, effective, and hygienic, it's not without its drawbacks. Energy consumption and air pollution are significant concerns associated with this method, highlighting the need for substantial alternatives. After initial processing, pig carcasses undergo rapid cooling to ensure food safety and maintain product quality. Slaughterhouses operate under stringent regulations governing both food safety and worker safety, underscoring the importance of compliance with industry standards. Hygiene and sanitation protocols are rigorously upheld throughout all stages of operations to prevent contamination and ensure the integrity of the final products. During further processing, such as the removal of internal organs, both manual and robotic systems may be utilized. Additionally, pig carcasses can be split in half using either automated or manual methods, reflecting the incorporation of advanced technology alongside traditional practices in modern slaughterhouse operations. Indeed, the integration of advanced cutting systems enables a faster and more precise processing of pork, enhancing efficiency and product quality. Animal welfare and sustainability have become central concerns in pork production, reflecting a growing awareness of ethical and environmental considerations. Modern slaughterhouses prioritize the humane treatment of animals throughout the entire process, from arrival to slaughter. After processing, pork carcasses are promptly placed in a chiller to facilitate rapid cooling. This step is crucial for preserving the freshness and quality of the meat. Following cooling, the pork undergoes further processing, where it is cut into various cuts such as loins, ribs, and hams. Bones are removed, and the meat is trimmed to meet quality standards. Finally, the pork is meticulously packaged and labeled for distribution to retailers and consumers, ensuring traceability and adherence to regulatory requirements. This comprehensive approach underscores the commitment of modern slaughterhouses to deliver safe, high-quality pork products to the market.